Apparently, I'm here at this place, which is called the Manikarnika Ghat, and I have no clue what to do here. But all I've seen is people scamming me for going for a boat ride, not walking on this or not walking on that. Apparently, it's a place where all these dead bodies are burned, but I don't see a single dead body, and also do not see anyone actually burning it. So I really don't know how does it work. So let's go down and see. So they said a woman is not allowed here when I read it online, but all I can see is just these women selling a lot of things. So I really don't know how does this whole thing work. Call it a spiritual place and they fucking still spit. Can you see how dirty this whole place is? Oi. And I didn't see anyone. I didn't see anything. I didn't feel anything negative. So I really don't know what I've heard online is actually true or not. All I can see is people taking shower in this, which is crazy, of course. So you can just sit here and enjoy some nice boat ride and enjoy the sunset. And if you want to get in that scam, just talk to any of the people and probably ask what does a boat ride cost and all that. But I'm sure it's really expensive. You just have to negotiate as much as you could. I don't think I would go that, but I will still definitely want to try because I want to go to the other part of the Kashi. So that's it. That's the whole beauty about the Manikarnika Ghat. I did not find a single dead body. Maybe I just came to the other part of it, or I don't know how does that work. And I want to know what is on the opposite side. Apparently, I think that is where the Agoris are found. So let's see. I'll probably ask someone and just let you know and I'll give you an update about it. Apparently, this is the reality of the whole cart. Can you see how dirty? Nobody shows this part of the Kashi. Unfortunate reality of the whole place. Apparently, it's just way too dirty, and I have no clue why there's restriction for a woman here because I have not seen anything. Yes, I understand that a lot of Hindus actually believe that a woman shouldn't be coming to a place where the dead bodies are actually burned, but I see a lot of women. So I don't know what is the whole myth about it. Just don't fall in the trap of buying all these stuffs or just going on a boat ride because apparently it's really expensive when compared to the main place from where the actual Ganga Aarti happens. There are some nice stops also there if you want to just enjoy the food. There's bike parking as well. So, oh, I think that is the place where the whole thing goes. Let's see. Let me try if I can go there, but I'm not really sure if I'll be able to go. I think people just eat samosa, 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 and only samosa. All I've seen is just samosa morning, evening, night. How do people survive with this? उधर कैसे जा सकते? We can't go. सीधा and then left. Thank you. सेट होगा. That's how they actually buy the whole stuff. Are we allowed to go? Oh, that is the place. I don't know if I'm allowed, but let's see. So I don't see a single one. I came to this place where they burn. Something is burning. Oh God. And then, what do they do? What do they do after this? That's it? That's it. Just burn. Okay. It's literally nothing. So apparently it's literally nothing. Just some bodies are burning, I can see. That's it. If you ask me if I felt anything, No, I did not. That's how the labor happens. Today was the first time I actually saw a dead body burning because apparently in my family they never taken me, but over here anybody can come. I think there was no restriction for anybody to just go in, so it was total fun for me as well. But smell though. Can we go up? Are we allowed to go up? Yeah, a lot of people are going. So apparently you can go to this place only if you have good willpower. So just make sure you have good willpower. Oh wow. Oh God.
अरे भैया अरे चलिए भैया चलो भाई वरंड चूड़
It's damn hot. Insane. I've never seen this in my life. Apparently Kashi has fulfilled this wish of mine. Yeah, I guess. Nobody said me. Excuse me. Excuse me. So apparently it's just way too crowded and it's just a myth that a woman cannot actually go there. There is some superstitious belief about it, but I personally do not feel anything. Maybe it's just a superstitious belief that, okay, a woman should not be going, but I didn't find anything new. So if you ask me my whole experience, I think this was the whole experience about Manikarnika Ghat. So apparently it's just a myth that a woman cannot be coming. In fact, when I went up, a lot of people actually asked me like, can they just go, because not everybody is actually aware of it, that yeah, there are no such restrictions. So nothing wrong if you come to such place, and it's just the belief that if you come to this particular place, you actually get something called moksha. Yeah, so they just burn the bodies right away, whoever is dead. They do the rituals and they give the ashes, and once the ashes are done, just give it or drop it in the Ganga river, and immediately that body gets moksha. So that's the whole myth, or that's the whole procedure about getting moksha at the Manikarnika Ghat. I think apart from that, there's nothing great about it. If you want to just come on a boat ride, it's just a scam that Manikarnika Ghat, you know, it's just one of the tourist places. It's just another graveyard, I would say. That's it. There's nothing else about it. So that was my whole experience about it, and I hope you guys liked it. Just stay tuned for more updates on Kashi. I'm just walking on the streets of Kashi, and I will definitely let you know how was my rest of the experience. See you.